So listen, I'm getting ready to go in here to Sephora, and I'm about to do this hygiene shopping, or yeah, the self-care shopping video, just showing you how I do my skincare routine, what products I use, how much they are, and things like that, what their benefits are. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber and you just tuning back into another video, welcome back. I really appreciate you. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you press that subscribe button and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. And yeah, so we about to get in here and get to it. This Sephora did not have nothing in here, but I went straight to the aisle where I had the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. It has colloidal oatmeal, which helps with eczema. This is not made directly for people that have eczema, but it helps like hydrate dry, parched skin, and it like relieves minor like irritation, like itching due to eczema and other conditions. And so if you guys been watching my videos, you already know I have eczema in my face, all over my body. It just depends on when it decides to want to flare up. But anyway, it's $38 here, and I really do love this cream. It does moisturize your face. Like when I first started using this, I got this in an Ipsy subscription. I don't know if y'all know who Ipsy is, but I got that in a subscription, and I like when I used it back in 2017. I've been using it ever since. You can use this for your skincare routine, and you could actually use this before applying makeup. This makes your makeup look really good and make sure that your skin is moisturized as well. So I really would recommend like this. I give this a 10 out of 10. No lie, 10 out of 10. Now for our lips, I would usually use LANEIGE. I would use the sweet candy kind in like the jar that you see, that you're about to see. And it's pink and it smells so good. Now I got the purple one. It's in, I think it's called like gummy bear or something. It smells like grape. It's purple, and it looks like they have like all of these travel sizes. They got berry, they got grapefruit, they got pear. I've never tried berry, grapefruit, or pear. I just always stuck with the sweet candy or the grape. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I'll let y'all know like how I feel about it. I'll try it out for a couple days or whatever. And but yeah, like I told y'all, there's nothing in the Sephora. Like there is nothing here. Like I hate it here. Like I will never come back to the store because everything is out of stock. I'm thinking I'm gonna go to the one that's probably like 30-40 minutes out the next time I decide to go, because they did not have my Dr. Dennis Gross pads. Now as you know, the Dr. Dennis Gross, you can use the daily peel. It's not a very harsh peel or anything. My skin does not peel off. It takes off all of the dead skin. And it's definitely like a chemical exfoliator if you want to do it that way or say it that way. And then there's a anti-aging neutralizer that you put on after you do the so-called chemical exfoliator. And it helps so much with like dark spots, hyperpigmentation, things of that nature. Now, if you do have eczema like me, you don't want to use that every single day, obviously, because it is a little bit harsher in regard to the chemicals. But once I do go ahead and use that, I put something else on my skin, like the moisturizer that I just showed you guys, and then I'm going to show you the other thing that I do put on my face. Okay y'all, so I really don't go into Ulta that much, but I didn't know they had the Benefit Brow Bar like this though. They got signature brow waxes, brow tint, brow breeze, whatever that is, or freeze, or I don't know what the fuck. But I didn't know that they had this type of stuff. Y'all didn't tell me this. So listen, anybody that ever got like their stuff done at Ulta, like how did it turn out? Like y'all give me the tea, because I just want to know. I just want to know, and I'm thinking about possibly going to them for some stuff. I'm thinking about the wax and then the brow lamination maybe. I don't know. Y'all just tell me what y'all think about this. Have y'all ever gone here and had a bad experience? Just let me know. But I'm just showing the girls that don't know. Like, but just let me know. Like, I really need to know. Now, why I been sleeping on Ulta like this? Like really though, I just had to come see like if they had a much larger selection for the First Aid Beauty, and they actually do. Like, it's so much other stuff here. I didn't even know First Aid Beauty had First of all, let's just start there. But let's look at these prices. Let me see if they're the same as the one at Sephora. Now remember, the Intense Hydration one was $38 at Sephora. But okay, so at night I use the Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Night Cream. I really love this. This is a little bit thicker consistency than the Intense Hydration, so I feel like it gives you more moisture while you're going to bed and you're waking up with a nice moisturized face still. Now this one for the 1.7 ounce is $42. Yeah. It's expensive, but it worked. And like, you not about to use this. Like, I've had this for months now, like 4 or 5 months, and I still have not run out. I still have a good amount. Okay, now when it comes down to the Ultra Repair Cream, it looks like it's about the same. So $38 for the 6.0 ounce and then $46 for the 8 ounce. So where my Target girls at? Like, I love Target. They got so many masks. So I would definitely go for the Collagen Hydra mask. I want to try that. It looks like it has like rose extract in it, and then also with the collagen, obviously it plumps your skin, so that's what I want, that's what I need. I need the skin to stay looking youthful. They got some other stuff in here I never tried. It's a foot mask. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever try one of these foot masks. I'm thinking about trying it, but I don't know. Just let me know. I was looking at this Apto skincare turmeric mist with witch hazel. It says that it's vegan, which I love, and then it's for like universal skin type, so you can really use this on any type of skin type. What I found interesting was it had turmeric in it, and turmeric actually helps to brighten your skin tone, and then the witch hazel is like a toner, so it brightens and tones at the same time. That's what interested me in this, so I'm thinking about trying this out. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried this. It's in a spray bottle, so I'm pretty sure it's just like a mist that, you know, that's how it goes on, like a misting spray. So this company, theirs, has a lot in regard to skincare, but I really found this very interesting because this is a daily cleanser that you could use on your face. It has aloe vera, which helps to replenish your skin, but then it's also fragrance free, sulfate free, all that good stuff, and you can really use this on your skin if you do have eczema like me on my face. I'm pretty sure I've seen where he has rose water spray, he got the witch hazel spray. All of his stuff is natural. Like, this old man killing the game. Okay, so I found this company, BU. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's a gel moisturizer. It says it's there to glow and hydrate. So hyaluronic acid keeps your skin hydrated by retaining water. So I don't know, it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines as well. So I feel like you should use this after you do your whole skincare routine. Their whole line basically is like a skincare routine. I'm not lying. I haven't tried it, but let me know in the comment section if you have tried it. The thing that I would probably avoid when using hyaluronic acid is retinol. That's kind of right next to it. Don't use that while you're using hyaluronic acid. Hey, this is a hot girl hack for y'all. Let me get back to my skincare routine. So usually after I use the Intense Hydration cream from First Aid Beauty, I will go in with my bio oil skincare oil. So what happens is when you use this, it gets like the dark spots and stuff. Like, as long as you're using this on a consistent basis, you're not gonna have those dark marks after. Let's just say you popped a pimple and now it's bruised up, it's turned into a scab or sore or whatever. Continue to do your skincare routine and use a bio oil. I promise you, you will not have anything on your face as far as scarring because of this bio oil. You can use this for stretch marks, uneven skin tones, like I just said, scars, all that stuff. Like, this really works. You just have to be consistent. 4-ounce bottle is $21.99. I see that they do have a cream. I have not used a cream. I've only been using an oil. Let me know in the comment section below if I ever use a cream for the bio oil, and let me know how that works out, but I've never used that. This is the most affordable option, the $21.99, but when I was in Ulta Beauty, I did see that they had a travel size that was a little bit less expensive than the $21.99 here, and yeah, so you can go to Ulta Beauty and buy like the smaller bottle. I've had this bottle, the 4-ounce, for like months, probably like 8 or 9 months, and I haven't run out of it because I only use it on my face. So yeah, if you're going to use it on your body, I probably would recommend that you get the 6.7 ounce. And yeah. Okay, so this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion is good for your body and for your face. I have used this on my face before when I did run out of my Intense Hydration oil, or what am I talking about? The Intense Hydration Cream from First Aid Beauty. I did use this. It has avocado oil, which put protein in your skin. It has vitamin B and vitamin B5, vitamin B3. I did see that they have like another one that has like shea butter in it. I don't know, but I want to try it. Like, I don't know, let me know if in the comment section if you have tried that, but I do want to try it. I feel like that will be a little bit more moisturizing. Again, on the Cetaphil and the regular moisturizing for dry to normal sensitive skin, that one is $8.99, so that's a more affordable option versus the Ultra Hydration with First Aid Beauty. But yeah, I want to try the one that got shea butter in it. That looks dope. Just a little bit more expensive than the regular one, so that's $15.99 for the Advanced Relief. I don't know, like I'm really feeling that. Like I really want to try it. It's still less expensive than the First Aid Beauty though. Y'all, it's so hot out here. Like I had to turn my air off in order for me to talk to y'all. It's 80 degrees outside, and this closure is sweating. It's sweating like it's about to be over and done with. Like, how do y'all deal with this in the heat? Like, this probably, you know, I haven't been one of them girls that wear this in the heat, like in the heat. So how do you deal with this? Like, I usually go and cop some braids because I'm not about to deal with this, but I'm trying to be in my soft girl era, trying to be in my, you know, feminine era, instead of just wearing like braids all the time and like, you know, shit like that. So, but anyways, tell me how y'all, like, how you keep the lace down when it's hot like this. I just left out of Target. That's my last place I'm going. I just wanted to show y'all what it is that I was using. I couldn't find CeraVe. They actually, like, it was gone, like I said in the video. Like, CeraVe is nowhere to be found right now. Like, they cleaning these shelves. It's so weird to see it because it was not like this before. But yeah, so anyways, if you did gain some knowledge from this video, and if you like the video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe again, like I said in the beginning. If you're not subscribed, then you need to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. But anyways, I'm getting ready to get finished with the rest of my day, and I will see you in my next video.